Hi there! Right off the bat, I'd like to show you this interesting, simple, and efficient type of trestle. I really like these because they're functional. I already had a chance to test them myself, and let me tell you, this thing is great. It's made of two 3-meter long planks, 96 by 20 each. It's for those of you who's got a circular saw. Alright, first things first. We must measure out 1 meter. And as we'll need 2 of these, let's do it all at once. To make sure it's nice and even, using a clamp is always a good idea. So if you happen to have a circular saw, note to self that you can turn it into a miter saw in a matter of 30 minutes, and it won't cost you much. If you do it right, then you'll be able to make super accurate crosscuts with it. And indeed, for a DIY gizmo, it really does its job brilliantly. What you'll need is a couple of bungee cords. One raises a shield, and another one puts the saw back into its initial position. Next, we take a 120mm plank and measure out 1 meter. We'll use the leftovers to make a wooden I-beam. To make sure you don't break the edge, drill the screw holes first. We'll use 4 pieces, 830mm each. In order to be able to fold them, we must abbreviate one piece. In this case, we'll make it 60mm. Then you just fix it up with a rasp. And so this is what you're supposed to get. 4 pieces. Then measure out 45mm, right off the edge. 35. At the I-beam, I put it all together to make it all at once. It should be a 12mm hole. Right, looks good. Should be fine. To ensure the durability, we'll use this kind of aluminum tube. That's why we're making it 12mm. Otherwise 10 should have been enough. To make sure the legs stay in place at the longitudinal load, we'll make a 35mm notch, right off the edge on the leg's width. The depth should be 5mm. $8mm. 120mm bolts should come in handy at this point. Also, you'll need 4 washers and 2 wing nuts. And also the wire rope will allow for the better firmness. So there, a good example of the DIY trestle. And the best thing about it is that it's very compact. Put it in the trunk, it'll fit, no doubt about it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.